Hi, I'm Ruby Martinez with Pro Fashion, and today I'm going to show you how to use your sleek thermal brush. Let me go ahead and start off by showing you what's included with your package. First, we have a very heavy-duty Pro Fashion heat-resistant traveling case, which is lined with a heat-protectant material inside so you're able to travel with your tools hot or cold. It also comes with a thermal mat to protect and prevent any damages from the surfaces where you're styling. It also comes with our Pro Fashion heat protecting glove to prevent any heat injuries while styling your hair. And of course, we have our adapter, which means you're able to take your tools overseas. The Pro Fashion sleek thermal brush is perfect for anyone looking for sleek, straight styles, but with also volume. As you can see between the bristles, there are ceramic and tourmaline plated bristles. It's equipped with our ionic technology, which is going to add the natural moisture back into your hair, prevent any frizz, and give you gorgeous shiny style. This tool has an automatic temperature feature. The temperature can range anywhere from 170 degrees to 450 degrees. It's also equipped with the safety feature automatic shutoff. Your tool will automatically shut off after 60 minutes. And now I'm going to explain how to properly turn on and use your sleek thermal brush. Once you have it plugged in, press and hold the power button for approximately 2 seconds to activate the LCD display. You can set your desired temperature by individually pressing the plus or minus button. Allow your tool 60 to 120 seconds to reach the desired temperature. It also has a safety feature where you can lock the settings so there's no unintentional changes to your settings. You can lock your screen by simultaneously pressing the plus and minus button for 2 seconds. Once you have it locked, the LCD screen will display LOC. To unlock, simply repeat the process. Once you are completed styling your hair, you can manually shut off the tool by pressing down the power button for 3 seconds. You always want to make sure that your tools are in pristine condition. I'm going to show you how to properly clean your thermal brush. To properly clean your tool, use a soft cloth and wipe away any residue. For more information on your Pro Fashion styling tools and our other collections of tools, please visit our website at profashionhair.com.